Do you ever dream of earning extra income without having to invest a single dime? In this fast-paced world where every penny counts, the allure of making additional revenue can be quite enticing. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to bolster their bank account? Especially when the economic climate is as unpredictable as it is in 2024. If your answer is yes, then this video might just be the golden ticket you've been looking for. The free FX method is a zero-budget approach that can potentially earn you over $300 a day. It's an innovative method that has been gaining traction in the world of affiliate marketing, specifically with Digistore24. Now, you might be asking, where did this method originate and how does it work? The free FX method was born out of the need for a solution to a common problem many people face: the desire for extra income without the capacity to invest a significant upfront budget. It was designed to be a system that anyone, regardless of their financial status or marketing experience, could adopt and benefit from. This is why it's particularly suitable for those of you looking for an extra income stream. At its core, the free FX method is about leveraging free resources to generate income. It focuses on using free traffic sources, free tools, and free platforms to create and promote affiliate offers. The beauty of this method is that it doesn't require a hefty initial investment. All it needs is your time, effort, and a smart strategy. One of the key principles of the free FX method is the power of compound effect. Each small action you take builds upon the previous one, creating a snowball effect. Over time, these small actions can lead to significant results. It's not about immediate gratification, but rather long-term, sustainable success. Another major principle is the concept of value creation. This method emphasizes the importance of providing genuine value to your audience. It's not just about making a sale, but building trust and creating a community. By focusing on value, you can build a loyal audience that will lead to consistent affiliate sales. The free FX method might sound too good to be true, but bear with us as we break it down. In the next scene, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to implementing this method, so you can start to see the potential earnings for yourself. Remember, the key to success with the free FX method is persistence and patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven method for generating a steady stream of income. Now, it's time to delve deeper into the free FX method. Let's break it down step by step so you can start making over $300 a day with zero budget, using Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Step 1. Sign up for a free account on Digistore24. It's a digital marketplace offering a variety of products you can promote. Spend some time exploring the platform, get to know the products, their categories, and the affiliate commissions. Remember, knowledge is power, and it will help you make informed decisions. Step 2. Pick a product. Now this is crucial. You want to choose a product that resonates with you, something you believe in, because this belief will shine through in your marketing efforts. It's also helpful to pick a product that offers a substantial commission, which will help you reach that $300 a day goal faster. Step 3. Get your affiliate link. Once you've chosen a product, Digistore24 will provide you with a unique affiliate link. This is the magic key. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Step 4. Set up your FX or free exchange. This is where you give something of value for free in exchange for your audience's attention. It could be a compelling blog post, an insightful video, or an engaging social media post. The aim is to provide value, build trust, and subtly promote your affiliate product. Step 5. Drive traffic to your FX. You can do this organically, through SEO and social media, or through paid methods like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Remember, the more traffic you drive, the more chances of people clicking on your affiliate link. Step 6. Track and optimize. This is the part where you roll up your sleeves and dig into the data. Look at what's working and what's not. Are people clicking on your affiliate link? Are they making purchases? Use this data to tweak and optimize your FX and your traffic strategies. Now, a few tips and tricks to maximize your efficiency. First, always be authentic. People can smell a sales pitch a mile away. Be genuine in your interactions and your content. Second, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different products, different FXs, different traffic strategies. What works for one person may not work for another, and vice versa. And lastly, be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. And that's it. That's how you deploy the free FX method. Remember, this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate way to build a steady stream of income with zero budget using Digistore24 affiliate marketing. It's about providing value, building trust, and earning a commission in the process. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start making money today. At this point, you might be wondering, how much can I really earn with the free FX method? Well, let's dive into that. The potential earnings with the free FX method can be quite impressive. Now, it's important to remember that results can vary, depending on factors like your commitment, the time you invest, and how effectively you use the method. But let's talk about some of the success stories. Take the case of Sarah, a single mom from Florida. She was skeptical in the beginning, but decided to give the free FX method a shot. In her first month, she made over $200. By month 3, she was consistently making over $500 a day. Now, this is not a guaranteed income, but it's a testament to what's possible with this method. Then there's Alex from California. A college student, he was looking for ways to pay his tuition without taking on massive student loans. He stumbled upon the free FX method, and within a span of 6 months, he was earning enough to cover his tuition and even have some extra for his personal expenses. Or consider the story of Emma and Jake, a married couple from Texas. They were struggling to make ends meet and decided to try the free FX method. Within a year, they were earning a combined income of over $3,000 a month. Again, these are individual stories, and results can vary. These success stories aren't outliers. There are numerous testimonials from people all over the world with different backgrounds and circumstances who are leveraging the free FX method to generate extra income. While the free FX method is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a proven method that can help you earn a significant income if you're willing to put in the time and effort. It's about having the right mindset, taking action, and staying consistent. So, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, a retiree, or someone looking for ways to supplement your income, the free FX method can be a game changer. As you can see, the potential for earning with the free FX method is substantial. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key points of the free FX method. This method is a roadmap to a journey where you navigate the world of affiliate marketing with zero budget, yet can potentially earn over $300 per day. The free FX method is a step-by-step guide to mastering affiliate marketing on Digistore24, a leading global online marketplace. It starts by helping you understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, then progresses to teach you how to select the right products, and finally guides you on how to promote these products effectively. One of the key features of the free FX method is that it requires zero investment, making it accessible to anyone, irrespective of their financial status. This method teaches you how to leverage free online tools and platforms to promote your chosen products. With this approach, you can start your affiliate marketing journey without having to worry about initial investments. Another primary advantage of the free FX method is its potential for high earnings. While the amount you earn largely depends on your effort and dedication, the method offers a chance to make over $300 per day. This makes the free FX method an attractive option for anyone looking to supplement their income or even make a full-time living online. Finally, the free FX method equips you with the knowledge and skills to succeed in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. It helps you understand the dynamics of online consumer behavior and equips you with strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Remember, the free FX method is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven method that can yield substantial returns when employed correctly. It demands patience, effort, and a willingness to learn. But with consistency and dedication, the free FX method can transform your financial landscape, opening doors to new opportunities and financial freedom. We've covered a lot of ground today, and it's a lot to take in. We started our journey by posing a question about extra income, a question that resonates with many of us. We then introduced the free FX method, a revolutionary approach to affiliate marketing using Digistore24, and how it can be a game changer in the year 2024. It's not just about knowing the method, but mastering it. That's why we delved into a step-by-step guide to the free FX method, breaking it down to its core elements. We walked through each step, making sure that even those new to affiliate marketing can grasp the concept and apply it. We further explored the potential earnings with the free FX method. Remember, this is a method that requires zero budget but can generate over $300 a day. Isn't that amazing? We then highlighted the key points of the free FX method, the elements that make it unique and effective. So, what's next? It's your turn to make the most of this information. Try the free FX method. Test it, tweak it, make it your own, and don't forget to engage with us. Subscribe to our channel, leave your comments, and share your experiences. We're building a community here, and your input is invaluable. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to extra income could be just a free FX method away.